name is Khun Pie and am from Thailand, the birthplace of traditional Thai massage with over 20 years of hands-on experience in the wellness industry. Twisting in Thai massage provides multi-dimensional movement, which also provide clients for better mobility and relief of joint stiffness. Stretching is also an important part of Thai massage. This technique is increased flexibility, improve joint movement, and restore body alignment. OSIM products don't replace what I do, they enhance it, allowing the people to continue their wellness journey at home. It makes wellness more accessible. People who may not be able to visit the therapist regularly can still enjoy a thoughtful, quality experience rooted in professional knowledge.
OSIM.